Welcome to another edition of the SBX Morning Huddle, where we talk about the latest market news, exchange some views, and share tips that you can use. All right, so ang first topic natin today, gentlemen, is of course the stock knowledge. In this section, we will talk about yung mga basic information about the stock market and investing, with the hope to make it also as ingrained to everybody as stock knowledge, diba? As we navigate our careers, as we navigate the financial markets, go through our life, dapat lagi nating alam yung mga bagay na yan. So, ang ating pag-uusapan ngayon is that ano ba yung mga trends in the market. Meron tayong tatlong trends sa pag-uusapan. We have the uptrend, the sideways trend, and then the downtrend.
Technically, pag nakita kong nasa long-term uptrend tayo, I go aggressive in my exposure. Meaning, mas madami akong binibili na stocks and mas madami rin akong hino-hold na stocks. Then, pag nasa sideways, most likely, I will take profit. And then, especially pag downtrend na, dapat naka-exit na ako doon sa market. And for yung mga hawak ko, binenta ko.
Trend is your friend until it bends. So, I always love uptrend stocks. So, yun ang sinasakyan natin kasi it defines the growth of the company rin. So, pag pataas na yung stock natin, so, pwede na tayong mag-ride dun sa trend na yun. And then, pag na-visualize na natin or nakita na natin na, medyo nagsa-sideways na siya. I guess that's the time to exit na.
Kaya quite important, gentlemen, yung chart, ano? And then for some people who are starting out, I know it's intimidating, but we will hope to make it as accessible to you guys as possible by first using the line chart. Now, for me, kaya every morning when I start my investing or when I try to look at opportunities, gentlemen, ang pinaka-simpleng wrap around, coming off from what JC has said, the trend is your friend until it bends. It's like the weather report in the market. So if you